Hello my dear students, today I will tell you what are the various college options for engineering in computer science which you all can put in your CAP rounds as per your MHT CET percentile. If your percentile ranges from 99 to 100, you can go for college options like VJTI, SPCE, COEP, S. Walchand which is at Sangli, and you can go for Pune Institute of Computer Engineering which is at Pune. If your percentile ranges from 97 to 99, you have options like VIT, that is Vishwakarma Institute of Technology which is at Pune. You can go for Thadomal Sahani, you can go for DJ Sangvi, and you can go for Vivekanand College of Engineering which is at Chembur. If your percentile ranges from 95 to 97, you have options like Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, you can go for St. Francis, you can go for Father Agnel which is at Bandra and which is at Navi Mumbai. Then you can go for other options like Pimpri Chinchwad Pune and also SGGS Nanded. If your percentile ranges from 92 to 95, you can go for options like Vartak College, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Don Bosco, and you can also select option like Bagubai College which is at Vileparle. And also you can go for Atharva College of Engineering which is very good for computer science for this percentile. And finally, if your percentile ranges from 78 to 92, you can go for options like MIT which is at Mira Road, you can go for L. Tiwari College, then you can go for Pillai College of Engineering, Rizvi College which is at Bandra, Terna College of Engineering, and so on. So guys, if you really like this video, do follow this video. Thank you so much.